So if you like eating in the main dining room, sitting down and having the wait staff take care of you, you look at your dinner menu and sometimes it is really hard to choose exactly what you want to eat because everything looks so good. Well, what if you didn't have to choose? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Today is day 4. 4 more days to our next cruise, and soon we will be able to count it in hours instead of days. But we do have a cruise tip for you today, and that is get more than one item off the menu in the main dining room. Alright, so if you are new to cruising, you're going to go eat in the main dining room. You're going to sit down and they're going to bring you a menu. On there you will have your appetizer, you will have your entrees, and you will have your desserts. And you may be thinking, okay, I need to pick one appetizer, I need to pick one entree, and I need to pick one dessert. Well, that is not actually true at all. You can order from that menu just about any way that you want. So if you are looking at it and you're like, I would like these 2 appetizers, let them know you want those 2 appetizers. They're going to bring them both to you. It's already included in your cruise fare. If you see 2 entrees that you want, order them both. 2 desserts that you want, order them both. If you want all 4 entrees, order all 4 entrees. Now, don't waste food. Please don't waste food. Only order what you're going to eat. But if you can eat all 4 and you want all 4, they will bring you all 4. Like I said, it is included in your cruise fare. Now, if you order one, let's say you ordered some lamb chops and it turns out you don't like lamb chops, let them know. Let's say, I don't care for these lamb chops. I would like to have the steak instead. They will take the lamb chops away and they will bring you the steak. The wait staff in the dining room are there to make sure you are happy, to make sure you are satisfied, to make sure you enjoy your dinner, and they will go out of their way to do that. And if there is something on the ship special that you may want to eat with dinner, perhaps it's not even on the menu, ask. There's a chance they can still get it and still bring it to you. One of the things that I enjoy in the Carnival main dining rooms when I sail on Carnival is I really like their macaroni and cheese. But you don't find that on their menu, but let them know, hey, can I get a thing of macaroni and cheese? And they will bring it to you. Again, it's all included in your cruise fare. So don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to ask for multiple plates. Don't be afraid to let them know that you're not enjoying your dinner and you'd like something else. This is your vacation. This is your cruise. Make it one to remember and one you're going to enjoy. Don't leave the dining room at night if you're not full or if you're unhappy with the meal. Let somebody know and they will go out of their way to correct it for you and to make you happy. Now, be polite about it. Be respectful about it, because your wait staff are very, very hard-working individuals. So be polite and respectful to them, and I guarantee you they will go out of their way to take care of you and to help you out. So that is our cruise tip today, is don't be afraid to order more than one plate in the main dining room. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.